Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Love to Entertain. Now if you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red button below and beside it tap the bell icon to get notification of my videos. Now, crochet butterflies are very pretty and these can be used for many purposes like brooches, necklaces, earrings, bookmarks, anything. So today I will be making crochet butterflies. As you can see, I have made this flower-like structure and we will be folding this flower to acquire the shape of the butterfly. For this I used cotton yarn and hook size 1.75 millimeter. And for this tutorial I will be using an acrylic yarn with a bigger hook in order to carry on with this video. Firstly, take the yarn and make a magic ring as shown. See it very carefully and it's very easy. And after that, make 3 chains. The first 3 chains constitute the first double crochet. So after making the 3 chains, we will be making 2 double crochets. So this is a set of 3 double crochet. And after that, we will be doing chain 2, which constitutes the chain 2 space. After that, we will be making a set of another 3 double crochets. So into the magic ring, do 3 double crochets. Okay, and then again chain 2. Now this round will contain 8 sets of 3 double crochets and 8 sets of chain 2 spaces. Now you complete this round with a chain 2 and slip stitch into the third chain of the first chain 3 of this round. If you want to change the color, then you can simply do chain 1 and cut this yarn, or you can slip stitch into the top 3 stitches of the first 3 double crochets and then slip stitch into the first chain 2 space. When you reached the first chain 2 space, do chain 3 and 2 more double crochets. After that, do chain 5 for the chain 5 space and do 3 more double crochets in the same chain 2 space. Now this was the first petal, and we will go directly to the next chain 2 space, and there we will do 3 double crochets, 5 chain, and again 3 double crochets. So there will be 8 such sets, and complete this round in a similar way. When you have reached the end of this round, after the third double crochet, just do a slip stitch into the third chain of the first chain 3 of this round. So this round is complete, and now as earlier, you can change the yarn. For that, do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. And in case if you want to continue with this same color, then just do 3 slip stitches in the 3 consecutive stitches, and as you reach the chain 5 space, do a slip stitch there. Now do chain 2, that will represent the first half double crochet, then do 2 double crochets, then perform 2 half treble crochets, then we will be performing a picot. For that, do chain 3 and then slip stitch into the stitch of the half treble crochet. Now just do the mirror image of the previous stitches, that is 2 half treble crochet, 2 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet. After completing this petal, we will do a single crochet in the next gap, that is the gap between 2 double crochet of 2 different petals. Then do a half double crochet in the next chain 5 space, followed by 2 double crochets, followed by 2 half treble crochets, then a picot, and then 2 half treble crochet, 2 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet. So our second petal will also be completed. followed by a single crochet in the gap between two double crochets of the two different petals of the previous round, and then carry on with the third petal. So similarly, complete this round and do petals in each of the 5 chain spaces. Now after doing the last single crochet of this round, complete this round with a slip stitch into the first chain into the second chain of the first chain 2 of this round, and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. So finally our flower shape is ready. We just need to fold it in the shape of the butterfly, and then either you can sew it or you can glue it up. For the middle portion and the antennas, you can just do chains according to your preferable length, and tada, your butterfly is ready. So you can now use it up for making bookmarks, for making necklaces or earrings, or for making brooches, anything you desire. And of course, thanks a lot, dear friends, for watching this video till the end. I hope you liked it, and do comment in the comment section about the kind of videos you want or any kind of tutorial. I will feel very happy to do tutorials on the things you propose. And thank you. Have a great day, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video to the fullest so that it will help me to grow.